Life isn't simple, but the beauty of it is, you can always start over. It'll get easier. Alacia Bessette. The first step to getting the things you want out of life is this: decide what you want. Stein. Man is born to live, not to prepare for life. Boris Pasternak. The purpose of life is to fight maturity. Werthimer. Life is something that happens when you can't get to sleep. Fran Lebowitz. Life is something that everyone should try at least once. Henry J. Tillman. Life is pleasant. Death is peaceful. It's the transition that's troublesome. Isaac Asimov. Life is a long lesson in humility. James M. Barrie. Life ain't like books. Books got somebody writing 'em and trying to entertain ya. Life is more like a set of Legos. Unless you take care of 'em, you lose a few pieces and you end up stepping on 'em with bare feet. You gotta take care of your life. Laura Monker. Feelings are really your GPS system for life. When you're supposed to do something or not supposed to do something, your emotional guidance system lets you know. Oprah Winfrey. Life is a reciprocal exchange. To move forward, you have to give back. Oprah Winfrey. You really haven't changed. You've just become more of yourself. That is really what we're all trying to do. Become more of ourselves. Oprah Winfrey. Life is a zoo in a jungle. Peter de Vries. The supreme irony of life is that hardly anyone gets out of it alive. Robert Heinlein. Life is just a bowl of pits. Rodney Dangerfield. We make a living by what we get. We make a life by what we give. Sir Winston Churchill. The unexamined life is not worth living. Socrates. Sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith, Steve Jobs. Life is just a mirror, and what you see out there, you must first see inside of you. Wally, famous Amos. Life isn't fair. It's just fairer than death, that's all. William Goldman. Life is divided into the horrible and the miserable. Woody Allen.